A nationwide ban on smoking in public areas in Greece is being denied by business owners and customers. Some disputes between restaurant owners and inspectors have even become violent.
They're back. A month after Greek restaurant owners were told to pack them up to comply with a ban on smoking in public places, ashtrays are back on the tables. Business owners are ignoring the ban, saying they can't afford to alienate their customers, not in this economy. The penalty for not complying? Fines ranging from 100 to 10,000 euros, the equivalent to $140 to $14,000. Bar owner Filio Koroulou says it's worth it.
I'm prepared to pay a fine, yes, definitely, because there is just no other way. We won't change our stance. For us, it's absolutely necessary to have a choice to make the bar smoking or non-smoking. We've suffered a huge loss in business.
While this isn't Greece's first attempt to ban public smoking, it is the government's most aggressive effort yet. Disputes between restaurant owners and inspectors have turned violent, and the country's compliance hotline has been overwhelmed with complaints. Smokers aren't off the hook either. They can expect to pay a €50 fine, roughly $70 for the privilege of an after-dinner cigarette.